basically take all commands from us crew members. We'll make sure you're safe. We'll let you know what we need you to do. 4 of them, you'll see them on the floors. 2 in the front, 2 because the rotor heads, they droop kind of low.
We've been training since early February. Just been going out to the White Mountains, down at Birds. We've been putting a lot of miles on our feet with our boots, our skis, our rucks, and our sleds. We've been also learning crevasse rescues, how to use ascenders, perusics, just a bunch of cool, interesting things that the guys from NWTC has taught us. So we've been learning a lot.
I got asked by my first sergeant to if I wanted to join the Denali team to try to attempt to summit Mount McKinley. We did several train-ups, I think starting from about February, so it's helped us progress and try to get to the top shape and hopefully be able to make it to the top. It's been a whole new learning experience. I didn't have any clue about any of it, but I've learned a whole lot from the experienced guys who's going with us, and they've taught us a lot.
And my first sergeant approached me and asked me if I was interested in climbing Mount McKinley, and that's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, so I just jumped to it. Probably the hardest PT I've ever done in my entire life, and then walking. We went out to the White Mountains and we walked miles and miles every single day, just to get our feet and get our bodies acclimated to kind of cold weather out there, and then yeah.
Start Callahan also. I think if the weather holds up, we get good weather, we can make it to the top in 13 days.
I'm excited. I'm ready to get it going. It's pretty nice up here. Good weather for the first day. I hope it stays like that.
You do it.
Exciting, but nervous.
She's big, but she ain't that big.
Yeah, but it's not a special.
Go slow, go slow.
See, now you wish you had these, huh?
We're just chilling.
Blast. My bad, man.
No big deal. We're just passing by.
Can I ask one of you a few questions?
First climb on Denali, yeah. I've climbed some of the other mountains near and around like Black Rapids and whatnot, and then north of Fairbanks a little ways like Mount Pennell and stuff, or Pendle.
So are you excited?
I'm really excited to see how this goes and get to spend 21 days and not having to talk to too many people and make a phone call on the sat phone twice a day to let them know that we're okay. But it's kind of cool getting to come out here and not be around anybody. So that's nice. Cool. That's what I've been telling them. Really? Well, yeah. They can shoot for 7.
Do those hook into your skis?
Yeah. Here's what? That's Paul and his teams. Really?
Oh, so much to do, so little time.
Go home, Chris. Jesus Christ. Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah, you know.
There's one part in the going up to summit. It's called the Autobahn.
Yeah, the Autobahn probably
It's about
rough.
I think 1,200 feet in elevation. It takes about 2 hours to do, and you're literally walking on about maybe 4 inches of a ridge for about 2 hours straight, and you know, any kind of slip and fall.
And then the hardest part is they got a part right before you get to, you can see the summit, you can see the summit ridge, and you go down into like a saddle, and they call it the football field, and from the bottom of it up to the summit ridge is like 700 vertical feet, and that's where the elevation really kicks in, because like headaches and stuff. That was probably the hardest part, because then once you get up to the summit ridge and sit there for a while, you know, relax, and then move up another 200 feet. That was probably the hardest for me, I think.
Ready to go home?
Oh yeah.
I'll do it again. Give me a little bit of time to rest.
Getting all these guys up top is definitely the best part, and then getting back down here and getting ready to fly away. Them are the two best parts, getting everybody up there and then coming back. Yeah, we're going to refine our training schedule just a little bit and tweak it just so it's a little bit better, but overall I think it was a pretty good plan and execution, but there's small refinements that you can always make to make the next trip better.